Nature, love, beauty. Nature, love, and beauty are three powerful and interconnected concepts that have inspired people for centuries. Nature refers to the physical world and everything in it, including all living and non-living things. It's often seen as a source of inspiration, peace, and wonder, and is celebrated for. Love refers to a strong feeling of affection and attachment toward someone or something. It's often associated with feelings of warmth, tenderness, and compassion. Love can bring people together and can be a source of strength and comfort. Beauty is a subjective concept that refers to something that is aesthetically pleasing or has a harmonious form. Beauty can be found in many different forms, such as in nature, art, or people, and it often has a positive effect on our emotions and well-being. Together, nature, love, and beauty create a powerful triad that can bring joy, inspiration, and balance to our lives. Whether we are surrounded by the beauty of nature, experiencing the love of others, or creating beauty of our own, these concepts have the power to touch us in profound ways. Enjoy the nature beauty with love. This place is known as Shangla Top Hill, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. It's also the border of mini paradise Swat Valley. Shangla Top is highest point of district, 7,001 feet or 125 meters above sea level. It's also a mountain pass which connects Shangla district to Swat Valley.